here. I am going to do a new pour today. I am going to use this applicator with some silicone in it to do the chameleon cell effect. I've used some different combs and stuff, but I kind of want to use the freestyle with this. So I've already pre-mixed some colors. This is my pouring medium for this is glue to water 70 to 30%, and then these all have 1:1 except for the yellow, which I did 2:1 because it was really thick. It was still thick, so I added some water, and then I did add some additional water to all of my other colors to get to the consistency that I like, and you know, my white also. So generally I like it to be what I would consider flood icing. So it's definitely fluid, but the mark goes away that the paint makes pretty quickly. It's not super thick, but it's not really watery either. That's what I dig. All right, so I was thinking of doing a kind of starburst effect, and it's been a while since I've done one of those. So let's see how it goes. Funny. Okay, so I'm going to go with some blue. And then I'm going to go with some purple. I'm going to swipe that to start with. So I'm just going to cut up some pieces of paper here. I'm going to see what happens. I'm going to drag it. That was too much. Pull it out. Oh, too heavy. So let me try my palette knife. I just need to move my paints here. Let's see. I got a lot of paint on my lap. Oh, that purple is so pretty. I'm not getting enough of that blue off when I'm swiping in this spot. Let's come back here. So pretty. Okay, so I've just really wiped that off on the cloth, and now I'm going to go back and I'm going to add another color in here. I think I'm going to go with some pink. None of my colors have silicone in them, so I'm not expecting a ton of cells, but I sometimes still get them because of the consistency of my paint. So that's just the way it is. Alright, so I'm going to come back in here. I need to be moving these because it's a big swipe. I don't want to lift too soon. This has a little bit of purple that seeped through. Oh, how pretty. I didn't clean my knife well enough for that though. I have to look at my my cloth here, because what I'm ending up doing is wiping in the same spot and not getting that paint off. This cloth is going to be trash. Look at those. Very, very pretty. I'm going to come in here just quick with my little gun. Pop some of those bubbles. We could leave it just like this, but we won't. And I'm going to come in here with my green. And then, no. All right, so we're gonna push this out too. I don't really want to go over those pink ones, but who knows what will happen. I need to stop doing that because I keep getting more paint in my lap. Oh, goodness. Oh, that was just painful a little. The colors are just so pretty. Okay. And now yellow, which I'm a little nervous about, but we're gonna go for it. Let's move this yellow down here a little. I know, yellow, but okay, sirrah, sirrah. Whatever will be, right? I got some hair in there. If you've not watched some of my other videos, I kind of say that I just do mixed media art because there's always going to be some type of fur going on in my art. That I did not mean for. Look at those pink cells. I still got plenty of this paint left for some other pour. I'm going to come back right in here. Is this my white? That's not my white. I think that's my pouring medium. That would have been disastrous. Straight pouring medium. So close. Okay. And so now I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to swipe out. That one went a little deep. Sorry. Trying to keep it so it's the same kind of consistency. I need to get more paper towel. My knife is not completely clean, but I think we're fine. Running out of white. Ugh, I hated to do that, but it is what it is. All right, so we've got our kind of layers, a bit of our Starburst. I'm going to come back in here. Not what I would typically have for a Starburst, but kind of close. I'm going to just tilt us just a little bit, just to see how much paint I've got on the canvas. I don't want too much paint. So I'm just gonna move some of it off. Get those edges covered. I think that's about it. All right. Okay. Oh, some funky things happened. All right, so I'm gonna come in here and I'm gonna use my little applicator. And I'm gonna start kind of in the middle and work my way out. See if it comes out. It does. So I'm just getting a bit wider as I go around to get my circle a bit bigger. I don't specifically have a pattern I feel I need to do. I kind of want it to be loose. Pretty funky. I'm unsure how I feel about it, because I kind of wish this pink didn't sell up so much, but I also really love some of that selling. So, you know, there's a fine line. But it's definitely done some interesting things. So I'm gonna let this percolate, and I'll be back with an update on how it turned out. Alright, so it's been a few hours. The paint is still wet, but it is starting to dry along the edges. We had some cells that expanded a bit more, but overall some of these are super funky, and I'm digging it more than I thought. It's growing on me. Alright, so let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe, and we'll be back with another video soon. Bye!